Review before the quiz. We already talked about, we agree, thumbs up, centimeters are definitely smaller than inches, right? We've used rulers. Let's go to the next one. This is one where you might get confused, so be really careful. If you're like, well, I'm not sure, and I'm guessing, I'm pretty sure, you can just always convert it real quick, because that's what we've been doing this entire chapter. So take your 28 kilograms, and let's put it in the numerator, because what always goes in denominator? One. Perfect, and then we're going to times it by something. Where does the kilograms unit have to go? Denominator, I agree with you. Good job. Okay, now this, remember conversions, I don't have them memorized. I don't really expect you to have them memorized. This will be on the quiz for you. So you've got to find one that goes from kilograms to pounds. Do you see it?
Yes.
Do you agree? Right there. So that one goes with the kilograms. So the one goes right here. And then above it, let's put 2.2 pounds. Did I lose anybody? We get thumbs up? Okay, now it's just top times top, bottom times bottom, which is convenient, because bottom times bottom is just plain old 1, right? Open up those calculators, I want to hear them. Type it in, 28 times 2.2. What is it, Cameron? 61.6, and what did we change it to? Pounds, right?
Yeah.
So 28 kilograms is really 61.6 pounds. Which one is bigger than 61.6 pounds or 28 pounds? Bigger. How many of you got that? Let me see. Good job. Good job, good job. Question, Alex. Oh, are you sure? Okay, let's do number 3 then. You see the pattern? So number 3, 15 miles compared to 15 kilometers. How many of you think that miles are bigger? How many of you think kilometers is bigger? Okay, well, let's think about this. Let's convert it to be safe. Again, let's convert it to be safe. So let's put 15 miles in the numerator over 1 times, guys, where does this miles have to go? Has to go on the bottom to cancel it out. Okay, look at your conversions. Find the miles and kilometers. Do you see it?
Yep.
I see it too. Right here? Yeah? Again, this is on your quiz. You don't have to have it memorized. So that 1 goes in front of the mile, and let's put the 1.6 up top. Hey, grab your calculators. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Type it in, 15 times 1.6. Oh, nice and even, Josh, 24. So that's 24 km. So over here, 15 miles is really 24 kilometers. So compare 24 and 15, which one is bigger?
I do it.
Good job, good job, good job. Okay, number 4, I'm a picture person. When I think of liters, I think of Mountain Dew. Because it's always at the store, right? A liter of Mountain Dew. So I'm going to draw my awesome ghetto picture of Mountain Dew. Da, da, da. Pretend that's a liter. All right, next one, quarts. When I think of quarts, I think of milk. I think of when I eat my cereal in the morning. But a quart, is that a whole gallon of milk? How many quarts are in a gallon?
4.
So then I always think to myself, here's my boxy milk, but I'm only going to drink this much of it if it's a quart, right? Which one is bigger, a liter or a quart? So how many of you put this one is bigger? Yes! Is any last minute questions on this one? Okay, next one's ready, set, go. Good luck. Okay, are any of you done with number 5? Still working on it? Okay, so we're going to have 33 in the numerator. Over 1, we're going to times it by something, but liters have to be in the bottom. So look at your conversions, liters to quarts. Oh, I found it right here. All right, so 1 liter, so that 1 goes in front of the liter, and the 1.06 goes up top. Okay, I'm curious, how many of you have the exact same setup I have on the board? Did you at least get this setup? Now just top times top, bottom times bottom. So help me out. 33 times 1.06? 34 point what? 98? All right. What's 34.98 divided by 1? Yeah? And then this is, we changed from liters to quarts. How many of you got that? Let me see. Yeah? Okay, let's do the next one together if you haven't started. Question, Alec? Sure, that's okay. I think on the quiz it tells you what to round to. Oh, you know what? Look, right here it says round to the nearest 100. Uh-oh. We need to add, wait, 10, 100, so we're good, right? We're good. So redirections, let's round to the 100th every time. Okay, this one, we've got 18 pounds to kilograms. So let's put 18 pounds in the numerator over 1 times it by pounds in the denominator. So find it on your conversion. I don't see it. Do you see it? Oh, right here. Oh, but it's backwards, Jake pointed out, so we're going to have to deal with it. So pounds has to go on bottom. So that would be 2.2 pounds. 1 kg up top. How many have the same setup? Same setup. Donnie, question?
I know the answer.
Oh, you know the answer. Okay, hold on. Let me catch up. So that would be top times top. 18 times 1 is 18. Bottom times bottom. 1 times 2.2 is 2.2. So Donnie, did you divide it? 18 divided by 2.2? 8.18 bar notation. So if the directions say round to the nearest hundredth, 8.18, pretty good. And then that's kg. How many we got the same as Donnie on that one? Let me see. Yes. Any last minute question on these ones? I'm thinking let's just do 2 more. Question on this, Cameron? Well, the directions, his question was, can we round to 35? Technically, yes. But the directions say round to nearest 100. 8's in the 100th spot. Because it goes 10s, 100s. Okay, ready? 2 more. Ready, set, go. Okay, you ready for some help? Because I looked at this one and I was like, what the? This confused me. Did it confuse anybody else? Yeah. Okay, guess what? All you really need to look at on this one, we can do this by converting kilometers to miles. Does that help? So 5 kilometers in miles, I swear it's on here. Oh, I found it. Right here. Let's use this conversion. Okay, so let's start with 20 kilometers in the numerator. Let's just put a 1 in the denominator for now. And we'll times that by kilometers. Where does kilometers go? Numerator, denominator? Denominator, so that we cancel it out and we're left with miles. So down here, my conversion, my kilometers down here, that's going to be 1.6. And then up top, we'll just put 1 mile. Did any of you get that set up? Oh, that's a lot of you. Be proud of yourselves. All right, top times top, bottom times bottom. 20 times 1 is just 20. 1 times 1.6 is 1.6, so we've got to divide. 20 divided by 1.6. Guys, look how fast. Jake, what'd you get? 12.5.
12.5 miles.
Thank you. Was that you, Charles? Yeah. Thanks for saying miles. 12.5 miles. How many got that? Okay, number 8. Hold up 3 fingers and wiggle them. Guys, I think this is a 3-stepper. This is how I know it's a 3-stepper, because when you look at your conversions, is there anything that goes from inches to meters? Are you sure? So I think we're going to have to use 3 to get there.
It's going to be in kilometers.
Kilometers where?
To the very right.
The very right. This one? 1 kilometers to 1,000 meters? So that means we've got to have a kilometer. So how do we go from inches to kilometers? Is there one of those? Yeah, we might want to use a different one. Should we do what Bailey just said? Let's use this one first. Inches to centimeters. We don't want centimeters, so we're going to change our inches to centimeters, but we don't want centimeters, we want meters. Is there a centimeters and a meters one?
Yes.
Where is it? Let's use these 2. Let's use this one first. Okay, so here we go. Let's put 18 inches over 1. We're going to times that by our first conversion. So inches has to go on bottom. So again, I'm using this one right here. So 1 inch on bottom, 2.54 up top. All right, but we've got to get rid of that one too because we want meters. So centimeters would have to go on the bottom. So now I'm going to use this one down here. Let's see, so that's 100 centimeters. So 100 matches the centimeters. And then 1 meter up top. Woo! Is it? No. All right, so let's make sure it cancels out. Inches, gone with inches. Centimeters, gone with centimeters. Will we be left with what we want? Yeah, meters. Same thing. Top times top times top. Bottom times bottom times bottom. So up top we'll have 18 times 2.4 times 1 over 1 times 1 times 100. What did you get for the top, Josh?
45.72.
45.72 for the numerator. 100 for the denominator. We are so close. Divide it. 45.72 divide by 100. Alec, what'd you get? Yes. Ooh, nice. So the directions say the 100. He said it's 0.4572, but that would round to 0.46. Good job, Al. And that's meters. Woo! How many of you got that one? The three-stepper? Good work.